What's happening, y'all? It's Neff again. I'm gonna show you guys what I did to take out these valve springs, because we had this spring compression tool. Where'd it go? We got the other spring compression tool, the little one you mount here on the top. The problem with that one, you don't have enough room in between the valve and the actual, like where these things bolt on the head. It's not enough room for you to grab it and compress the spring. This one, since these valves go at an angle, it's hard to get on there and actually compress the valve. But I came up with a solution. I mean, I know there's got to be a tool out there, but this is a little piece of stainless steel that I cut, a little piece of aluminum, and another piece of stainless steel for the top. I'm gonna show you guys how I used it, and we're gonna compress one of these valves so you guys can see how easy it is. I'm not gonna take out the keepers, but I'm gonna show you it does compress all the way for you to take out the keepers and put them back in, because well, not me, my daughters just put all these in with this tool. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm gonna show you, just getting a ratchet and the 11 mil so I can show you guys how to put this on there. But I used this piece first. It actually fits perfectly on both of the valves, and I'll put this aluminum piece right in the middle, and then I'll just compress this piece on there. And the same nuts for these studs fit perfectly on there. Just screw them bad boys on there. This one getting a little tight. Let's try this other one. Alright, this one's a lot easier to go. Alright, so after it's on there, let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you real quick. So this, let me see if I can get an angle. So that little first block goes in there, doesn't cover the keeper, as well as it does on the other side, doesn't block the keeper. The little aluminum piece goes in the middle, the top piece screws on here, and that's what's going to put pressure on both of those so you can take out the keeper. So let me show you how to do this. So you just start tightening. Just tighten them. I'll do a couple turns on each one. And it starts compressing. I do one at a time, just a little bit at a time, so they don't get off. Well, I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible. And one more thing, the valves are coming out from the back. So this is what I was doing. Yep, valves are coming out. So I just put a little rag on there to keep the valve pushed up. And it actually helps you keep it compressed. Alright, so they're almost out. I'm going to show you how easy it is with this. Alright, so let me see if I can get some light in here again. Let me grab my phone. Alright, so as you can see, it's not, oh shit, it's not compressed down all the way. We still have some threads on the screws up here, and you can see how the keeper is already, let me get in there. Yeah, it's a little bit more that you turn on the screws and you'll be able to pull out the full keeper, or the whole, both keepers. But that's how easy and simple it is, with just a few little pieces of aluminum and stainless steel that I had laying around. And it was so easy, my daughters were able to do this. So anybody can get their hands a little bit dirty and get this thing put together. Let me take it back out and show you what I did again. I mean, this is no way a professional tool, but it ain't done if it gets the work done. So see, this is how easy it's already off. Unscrew the pieces again. And these BMW heads, I guess because the valves are going at an angle, it's difficult to use the other valve spring compression tools. But here we go again. Little piece with 2 holes drilled on it. Little piece of aluminum block. I think this was like $4, $3, some shit like that. And then this one with some, I drilled 2 holes and then just cut these pieces out. And it works, man. So I hope you guys like the video, like how easy it is that you guys can come up with your own tools to get the stuff done. Because I was checking all over. I did see a tool that looked just like this one, but man, it was expensive. So with, I think $5 is the most I have in here. And I was able to make it work so my daughters can install all the springs and everything after they put in the valve seals. So it does work. Then again, it's up to you guys. If you got the money to spend, go ahead. But if you don't have the money to spend, get that done. Alrighty, y'all, thanks for watching. We'll be posting more videos. Make sure you guys hit that like and follow, or subscribe, sorry. And we'll have more videos coming out. Have a blessed one. Peace.